If you just want a simple, affordable tablet for watching videos, online classes, or basic daily use, the TCL Tab 10L Gen 4 keeps things straightforward without trying to be something it's not. This tablet comes with a 10.1-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 800 by 1280 pixels and a 16:10 aspect ratio. It's not a high-resolution panel, and at around 1400 ppi, you won't get super sharp text like on expensive tablets, but for YouTube, Netflix, reading, and casual browsing, it does the job. Brightness goes up to 400 nits, which is fine for indoor use, though under direct sunlight, it may struggle a bit. The screen size itself feels comfortable for media and light productivity, and the bezels are thick enough to hold it without accidental touches. Performance is powered by the MediaTek MT8786 chipset with an octa-core CPU and 4 GB of RAM. This setup is clearly made for basic tasks. Apps like Chrome, YouTube, Zoom, and social media run fine, but heavy multitasking or demanding games will push its limits. It's available with either 64 GB or 128 GB of internal storage, and thankfully there's a dedicated micro SD card slot, so you can expand storage easily without removing the SIM card in the LTE version. For students or casual users, that flexibility matters. There are two versions of this tablet, a Wi-Fi only model and an LTE version. The LTE model supports GSM, HSPA, and LTE networks, and includes a nano SIM slot so you can use mobile data on the go without relying on Wi-Fi. That makes it more practical for travel or school use. In terms of design, the tablet is slim at just 7.6 millimeters thick and weighs around 430 grams. It feels light enough to hold for long sessions without getting uncomfortable. It also has an IP54 rating, meaning it's protected against dust and light water splashes, which adds a bit of peace of mind. The color option called Future Dusk gives it a clean and modern look. The camera setup is basic, as expected in this category. The LTE version has an 8-megapixel rear camera, while the Wi-Fi only model has a 5-megapixel rear camera. Both support 1080p video recording at 30 FPS. On the front, the LTE model offers a 5-megapixel selfie camera, and the standard version has a 2-megapixel camera. These cameras are mainly for video calls and document scanning, not for serious photography. For Zoom classes or Google Meet, they are good enough. Audio is handled by dual speakers, which provide decent stereo sound for watching movies or attending online classes. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is still useful for wired headphones. Connectivity includes dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB Type-C 2.0 for charging and data transfer. There's no NFC support, and positioning details are not clearly specified. Sensors are basic, including an accelerometer and proximity sensor. Battery life is one of its stronger points. The tablet packs a 6,000 mAh battery, which should comfortably last a full day of moderate use, like streaming, reading, and browsing. Charging is supported at 18 watts with power delivery, so it's not super fast, but it's reasonable for a tablet in this range. The TCL Tab 10L Gen 4 runs Android 15 out of the box, with a planned upgrade to Android 16, which is good to see for software longevity. Overall, this tablet is clearly designed for simple everyday tasks. It's not built for heavy gaming or professional work, but for students, kids, or anyone who needs an affordable large screen for media and online use, it delivers a balanced and practical experience without unnecessary extras.